Welcome back to Heartland Home Design. Today's video is all about transforming your bedroom into a cozy and stylish haven. We will be focusing on some essential elements like beds, showpieces, bedside organizers, and a beautiful glass mirror. If you are looking for some inspiration to elevate your room decor, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Before we start our video, I would like to say please subscribe our channel for more latest and update content. And if you like any idea in this video, leave red heart in the comments and like this video. Let's start with the focal point of any bedroom, the bed. I have chosen a classic and modern for that touch of elegance and comfort. The soft bedding adds a cozy feel, making it the perfect place to unwind after a long day. Next, we talk about in this video showpieces. These little detail can make a big difference in the overall vibe of your room. I have picked out some unique showpieces that reflect my personal style. Geometric sculpture to vintage inspired trinkets. These pieces add character to the space. Showpieces and shelves are the unsung heroes of interior design, adding layers of personality and functionality to any space. In the world of decor, showpieces are the storytellers. They tiny guardians of memories and aesthetics that transform a room from ordinary to extraordinary. These carefully chosen articraft, whether they be vintage, trinket, contemporary sculptures, or sentimental treasure, are the threads that weave together the narrative of a home. As we delve into the realm of showpieces, it's essential to understand that they are more than more decorations. They are expressions of individuality. Each piece tells a unique story reflecting the taste, experience, and passion of those who curated the space. Whether it's a handcraft, ceramic vase passed down through generations, or a sleek, modern sculptures that speaks to the present moment. Showpieces are the visual poetry that add depth and character to shelves, mantels, and tabletops. Now, let's turn our attentions to shelves. The versatile canvases that hold these narrative treasure. Shelves are not just storage solutions; they are dynamic elements that can redefine the entire aesthetics of a room. Floating shelves, rustic wooden bookshelves, or minimalist metal brackets. The choices are as diverse as the items they hold. Shelves are not merely utilitarian, they are opportunities for creative expression. In a practical sense, shelves serve as organizational maestros, allowing us to display our curated collection of books, plants, and of course, those cherished showpieces. Now, let's move on the glass mirrors. Glass mirrors are fantastic for opening up a space and adding a touch of sophistication. I have opted for a beautiful glass mirror that not only serve its practical purpose but also act as a statement piece. Okay, now imagine a well-styled bookshelf adorned with a mix of literature, greenery, and carefully chosen showpieces. Each shelf become a vignette, a mini exhibition within your home. It's a testament to the power of curation, the art of selecting and arranging items in the way that sparks joy, evokes emotions, and establish a harmonious connection between the pieces. And we can continue our talk about mirrors. Whether you are getting ready in the morning or just want to check out your outfit, a well placed mirror can do wonders. And there you have it, a glimpse into the room decor elements that can transform your space into a heaven of style and comfort. I hope you found some inspiration for your own bedroom makeover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy decorating. Enjoy extra.